All information in this video is deemed accurate but is not warranted by the seller, the real estate agent, the real estate company, or the spokesperson. The buyer is encouraged to complete all tasks related to due diligence, including but not limited to inspections, surveys, and appraisals. Before we get into the tour of this home, I want to take a moment to tell you a little bit about it. This home sits on 43.25 acres, which you've seen a lot of the land at the beginning of this video. If you're someone who loves to hunt and fish and wants hunting ground where you live, this would be great for you. Also, there is a pond for fishing. If you're someone who wants to homestead and have livestock, this land would work for you as well because a lot of the land is already pasture. Or if you're just someone who wants to have room to grow and live out on your own, this would also be great for you. According to the most recent appraisal, this home has 3,618 square feet of livable space. It was built in 1980 and it boasts 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. As we tour the home, you're going to notice lots of upgrades, including new flooring and fixtures, but I believe the most noticeable upgrades that you'll notice will be in the kitchen and the bathrooms. So without further ado, let's get to the tour. As we approach the home through the front door, we'll enter through the foyer. The foyer has a coat closet, tile floor, and even the front door on this property is brand new as well. To the left of the foyer, you'll find the living area. Living area centerpiece is this stone gas fireplace, and also I want you to notice I purposely did not turn the overhead lights on in this room to really emphasize the natural light that this house lets in from large east and west facing windows. The windows in the living area you can see down to the swimming pool, and behind that tree line is where all the land is that you've seen at the beginning of this video. Off the living room is our first guest bedroom. Up the stairs we have what could be used for a media room, a game room, or just anything you can use your imagination for. There's also a large window up here which you can see my yellow truck sitting in the driveway. And here's a shot overlooking the living area. Also off the living room, you'll find the kitchen with updated cabinetry and countertops. And stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher, a wine cooler, and a smart fridge. Now this countertop here is actually a custom built countertop that is detachable. I'm throwing a few pictures up on the screen now. This can be used for a buffet bar. It can be used to help with cooking, or it can be used for extra seating when you're entertaining your guests. Off the kitchen, you'll find a screened back deck, which also overlooks the swimming pool. A lot of leaves on the ground. It's just that time of year where we are. There's a lot of trees, so the leaves are falling here in the fall. There's a ceiling fan out here for extra comfort if you're sitting out here enjoying the weather during the summertime. And this door right here leads back into the living area. Next, off the kitchen, we have a swinging door that leads into the pantry and the laundry room. And finally, through the large walkway, you'll enter into the formal dining room, great for hosting parties, entertaining guests, or just have family dinner night. On the opposite side of the staircase from the first bedroom, we have a bookshelf nook that's right outside the second bedroom, which you can see right now is being used for a home office. Next, we have the master bedroom. It features a walk-in closet and the master bathroom. The master bathroom features his and hers own vanities for storing your personal hygiene products. And a tile walk-in shower with an overhead shower head. Across from the master bedroom is our first guest bathroom. This bathroom comes with tons of upgrades. I normally try not to get myself in these videos, but I wanted to show you these mirrors and there was no avoiding it. These mirrors are motion censored, which you see me having a little bit of trouble with. I'm not a very high-tech man, but you pull your hand away to brighten the light, swipe your hand in front of it to turn it on and off, and if you push your hand in front of it, it kind of makes the light dim. Now this shower, I'm not sure the material that you're seeing here. It looks like tile, but it's not. It's some sort of synthetic stone. Oil rub bronze shower head and faucets, and then there is also jets in the tub here. And one more time, this shot right here can really show you how the light brightens and dims right there, and trouble turning it off again. There we go. And last, we have the last guest bedroom on the main level of this property. Let's head downstairs to the basement where there is also living quarters. As you can see, the current owners uses this room for a gym, but this could be made into like a small apartment if you have grown kids or even parents coming to stay with you, or guests that will frequently visit. This could be a great spot to keep them. There's a bathroom here that you can see now with also Jack and Jill vanities, or sink sets, excuse me. There's a stand-up shower here and a toilet, so this is a full bathroom. And across from the staircase leading down is a bedroom. This was originally used for the office of this house, but since you can obviously see the office has been moved upstairs. Tracking back through the living quarters of the basement, we'll enter into the 2-car garage. I'll show you a shot here, and then we will pop up outside and I'll show you the exterior of this property. Here we are outside. This is the outside the 2-car garage and the driveway running down. And this is a workshop with a room above that could be also converted into living quarters. As you can see, the light is on, so there is electricity around here. You'll also notice a sink and a toilet. The water's not on, not sure what's going on with that. But this is another room that you could freely use your imagination with and turn it into whatever you would like if you were to purchase this property. Below that room, here is the workshop. It has 2 garage doors for pulling in cars if you wanted to work on your vehicles in here. And an automotive lift. Coming back across the bridge that leads to that one room above the workshop, we have a pole barn with 3-car garage, or 3-car bays, and a lean-to attached. And below that we have a garage perfect for parking RVs, campers, or even a bus underneath. It sits right next to the workshop. So as we wrap up this video, let's quickly recap and summarize everything that this home has to offer. 43.25 acres of land that you can use for hunting, fishing, homesteading or farming, or just for play if you so choose. 3,618 square feet of livable space, perfect for entertaining guests. 5 bedrooms, upgraded kitchens and bathrooms, an in-ground swimming pool perfect for summer parties, a screened-in back deck to keep the bugs away while you're enjoying the weather, a basement with living quarters which includes a bathroom and an extra bedroom in case you have extended family staying, grown kids, or frequent guests, a workshop with an automotive lift in case you love working on vehicles or want to work on vehicles for extra money, and plenty of rooms that you can use your own imagination to really show off your creativity to your guests. If you want more information about this home, you should see my phone numbers and email address on the screen now. Feel free to reach out, and until the next one, God bless.